Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to use the Galaxy Wearable app to find your Galaxy Buds2 Pro earplugs. But first, don't forget to subscribe to this channel to see more helpful videos. So first of all, make sure your Galaxy Buds are charged and connected to your phone. Then find and open Galaxy Wearable app on your phone or tablet. Search for parameter Find My Earbuds. Scroll down. Find My Earbuds. Click Start to make your earplugs beep and help you find them. The beep sounds will help you pinpoint their location. When you find your Galaxy Buds, press Stop. Also, you need to make sure your Galaxy Buds are within Bluetooth range of your phone or tablet for the Find My Earplugs feature to work effectively. So that's all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.